Hi, it's Temba Mliswa here. As you know that I've appealed for the ZIFA presidency that you're aware of. I have taken the necessary measures constitutionally, procedurally, to ensure that everything works accordingly. I can only do so much. I'm not a lawyer. I've left this in the hands of my trusted attorney, Sindo Ungwe, who belongs to the MD practitioners, Ungwe practitioners. In terms of what we have done, I cannot say much. Like I've said, at some point I have to stop. May I allow the legal gurus, I trust him as a legal guru in this constitutionally. Counsel, you understand the applications you have made from the appeal to the review. In a nutshell, what have we gone about to be able to get to where we are?
Okay, thank you. As the nation will be aware, there is an electoral process that is afoot that has been set rolling by the ZIFA Normalisation Committee, and pursuant to that process, Temba Mliswa lodged his nomination papers to contest the vacant post of presidency. And subsequently, there was a vetting process that was done by the ZIFA Ethics Committee, which ruled that he was ineligible. The grounds or basis for that decision were communicated to us, and we have taken our time to consider the grounds that have been given, and to also consider the legal implications of the decision made, and to equally consider the legal recourse that is available to our client. And in consideration of those factors, we have observed two key issues. Firstly, that the decision made by the ZIFA Normalisation Committee and the subcommittee that dealt with the vetting process is untenable and unsupportable in reason, on the basis that the disqualification criteria was that there was non-submission of O-level qualifications, yet the ZIFA statutes themselves speak of O-level qualifications or equivalent. Our client submitted qualifications which are clearly ranked above the O-level qualifications. That is the minimum threshold that has been set by the ZIFA statutes. So it is illogical and quite incomprehensible that you would be disqualified for holding a higher qualification than the minimum required. So on the basis of that, we have, in keeping with the provisions of the ZIFA statutes, lodged our appeal with the Court for Arbitration for Sports as mandated by the ZIFA statutes. That is the first issue. The second issue, in